Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Glenwood is a small rural community in western Prince Edward Island, located in Prince County, a short distance inland from the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It is surrounded by rolling farmland, forests, and country roads that reflect the agricultural character of this part of the island. Only a small number of people live in Glenwood itself, while many more live throughout the surrounding rural area. The community is known for its peaceful setting, strong farming traditions, and close ties to nearby towns such as Alberton and Tignish. Like much of Prince Edward Island, the Glenwood area was originally home to the Mi'kmaq, who lived throughout the island for thousands of years before European settlement. During the late 1700s and early 1800s, settlers cleared forests, built farms, and established small rural communities across western Prince Edward Island. Glenwood developed as an agricultural community where families relied on the fertile red soil to make a living. Agriculture remains the foundation of the local economy. Potatoes are the region's most important crop, and Prince County is one of the island's leading potato-producing areas. Farmers also grow grain, hay, and forage crops while raising dairy cattle, beef cattle, and other livestock. Modern equipment has transformed farming over the years, but many operations continue to be family-owned and have been passed down through several generations. Although Glenwood is located inland, the fishing industry also has an important influence on the community. Many residents work in nearby coastal communities during the lobster season or are employed by seafood processing plants, transportation companies, marine suppliers, and repair businesses. Fishing and farming together have shaped the economy of western Prince Edward Island for well over a century and continue to provide employment for many local families. Housing in Glenwood remains relatively affordable compared with many parts of Canada. In recent years, the average price of a home has generally ranged between $280,000 and $370,000, depending on the property's size, condition, acreage, and location. Farm properties and larger parcels of land often command higher prices, while older homes may be available at lower cost. Today, Glenwood represents the rural heart of western Prince Edward Island. Agriculture continues to be the community's foundation, while nearby fishing, local businesses, and modern services provide additional opportunities for residents. Its combination of fertile farmland and natural beauty makes Glenwood a lasting example of the island's rural heritage and the traditions that continue to shape life across Prince County. watching.